Hello everyone, here we are going to make these flying dragonflies using craft paper. We are using two paper here. One is craft paper and another is transparent sheet. We are going to cut both of them like this. Now draw the eyes of the dragonfly using black marker, draw wings, color it, and we are going to paste it over the red craft paper, and look, your colorful dragonflies are ready. Here we are going to make this beautiful butterfly. We are using two different color square paper. We are using orange and yellow color paper here, and draw the shape of the butterfly using black marker or pen. Draw circles. We are adding patterns to the wings of the butterfly. Now cut it using scissors. Now remove the yellow paper and cut it like we are doing here on the orange one. Now we are going to paste both of them together using glue from the center part, and look, it is ready. Here we are going to make fish using craft paper. Fold this red craft paper into half and start cutting it. We are going to cut the shape of the fish here. After this, we are going to make multiple cuts on the body of the fish like this. Cut it, and then we are going to make many cuts as well. After this, we are going to cut it from other side as well, and it's ready. Then we are going to open it and it's done. Here we are going to make this cute little bunny, so let's get started. We are folding this red craft paper and make a triangular shape. Now draw the shape of the bunny, cut it. Now we are going to give it shape like this. Now open it, draw its eyes using black marker, draw its smiley face, flip it, and we are going to add details to the ears. Paste all of them together and put it inside like we are doing here. Now put the candy inside it, and look, your colorful bunnies are ready. Let's make these hopping bunnies. Take two paper cup. Now cut the upper portion of one paper cup and cut it like we are doing here. We are going to curve the edges like this. Then we are going to add lines on it like this. We are making the legs here. Paste googly eyes and draw its smiley face like we are doing here. Paste ears on it. Now we are going to fold two strip of paper in a zigzag way like we are doing here, and paste it on the paper cup like this. Now we are going to put it inside another paper, and look, your hopping bunnies are ready. In this video, we are going to make this flying butterfly. First, collect some leaf and make beautiful patterns on it using sketch pen. Then paste double-sided tape and put a stick at the center. Then take a purple straw and cut it from the top like this. Make two cuts like we are doing here. After this, we are going to put it inside the stick like we are doing here, and stuck it in the center of the leaf like this, and paste it using a tape. Now make the antennas like this, and look, your flying butterfly is ready. You can make more such butterflies using different colors. We are going to make these colorful butterflies using circles. We are going to cut two different side circle and punch them like this. Now open it like we are doing here, and look, it is ready. Now we are making the antennas. Paste it at the center, and it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video.